Welcome to AntMyERP. In this video, we will learn how to automate the purchase entry in the system. We need to give the purchase order to the vendor. After sharing the purchase order, it has to be accepted and later convert to contract. Complete the GRN process. After completing GRN, the invoice will be seen as pending of the purchase order. We can track the number of invoices pending of the vendors. When the invoice is received, it can be uploaded in the system. The purchase invoice will be entered. As soon as the GRN is done, the invoice will be seen in the pending. In the pending invoice, the number of invoices will be seen in pending of the number of vendors. After entering to the pending invoice, you can see the name of the vendor. We can notice the amount of invoices that are pending. The purchase order number and contract number will be seen. This is the name of the vendor and the product. This is the total amount. Once clicked on the action, the invoice option is available. Once clicked on the invoice, a pop-up will open here. Click on the plus on the right-hand side. Here is the invoice number of the vendor. The invoice number is entered here of the vendor. The date of the invoice can be changed. Invoice amount. Invoice amount will be shown here. The amount has to be less than 3,776. It can't be more, because the invoice cannot be more than the purchase order. In the invoice photo, upload the invoice document of the vendor. Uploaded the copy of the vendor invoice. Enter a comment and save it. The invoice number of the vendor is 48,393. Once I save it, my purchase invoice is also visible in the finance. The accounts team can approve it from the finance. Here the message can be seen. Invoice is created or updated successfully. Further to see where the purchase invoice and its status. You can go to Purchase Invoice in Finance. Once clicked on the purchase invoice, the invoice of ABC Securision that was uploaded will be seen here. It is visible in the top line. The invoice number is visible. The amount is visible. The invoice copy is visible that was uploaded. After reviewing it, if the invoice is correct, it can be approved. Once the approval is given, it will go to the purchase register and the purchase will be entered. In this method, auto purchase entry is available in the system. Manual purchase entry is not required. The status has been updated and it has gone to the purchase register. In this way, the purchase order can be given to the vendor and the purchase invoice can be entered by uploading the invoice. Thank you.